Have you ever wanted to send a photo to someone who isn't near you, or maybe quick share nearby doesn't show the device at all? If that happens, there's a simple solution: share with a link. Let me show you how it works. As the example, while we want to send a photo in the gallery app, to do so, open a photo in the gallery app, tap share icon, then choose quick share, tap QR code or link button. Your phone will instantly create a shareable link for that photo, then tap copy link to copy the link to your clipboard. Now you can send that link through anything such as WhatsApp, Messenger, email, or anything you like. When the other person opens the link, they will see the photo and can tap download to save it to their device. Given to its function, this feature is perfect when the other person is far away or nearby sharing doesn't work, or you just want a quick, simple way to send a file. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.